actually a dream come true. Ever since I came to Bombay, I've always wanted to walk the ramp for particularly Shane and Falguni Bride. So it's such an honor to finally be able to be in one of their showstopper outfits. I'm very excited.
I think it was the modern bride. What was the inspiration? And we always want our brides to look very modern. They can combine their Jimmy Choos and Manolo Blahniks with their garments. So it was Indian with a twist. And as what we do, we are known for our Western wear, and we needed to, create a little bit of a change in typical Indian bridal wear. So definitely our bride has to be the most daring, modern, really amazingly, open-minded bride.
बहुत enjoy किया. I love Falguni and Shane Peacock. मेरा favorite designers है, and I'm just so happy to be here. I think both in India and internationally they're doing so well. So मैं बहुत खुश हूँ.
They become edgier with time, and I love wearing them to music awards and things like that. And I think they've done amazingly well abroad. I mean, I feel really proud when I hear, a Britney Spears or a Kesha or any of these people are wearing their clothes. It's wonderful. They've done very well. I'm very happy for them.
बहुत खूबसूरत था. आई एम एक्चुअली सरप्राइज कि बॉम्बे में इतना खूबसूरत इन्होंने पहले तो स्टेज बनाया है, और लग रहा है कि वाकई में किसी की शादी हो रही है. और इतनी खूबसूरत मॉडल्स इतने अच्छे बहुत ही खूबसूरत कपड़े पहनकर स्टेज पे वॉक कर रही थी. आई थिंक इट वाज मेस्मराइजिंग. इट वाज एक्चुअली लाइक अ फेरी टेल.
Very nice. I mean, bridal, glitzy, glamorous, feminine. That's what a bridal show is, and I think Shane and Falguni are very good at doing that.
I've tried to pinpoint one thing that I like about Shane and Falguni. It's very difficult because from season to season their clothes keep changing, from their colors to their use of cuts. I think their Western wear is just as good as their Indian wear. It's a great balance of male and female that I think they have between Shane and Falguni, and that comes out in their clothes. And in this collection in particular is so feminine, something that I think every bride would want to wear on their wedding day.
आई थिंक उन्होंने बहुत बढ़िया काम किया है. वी ऑल आर प्राउड ऑफ देम. जिस तरीके का उन्होंने आज प्रदर्शन किया है कपड़ों का, और हमेशा से करते आए हैं. वो हमेशा बहुत कंटेम्प्रेरी और बहुत अच्छा मिश्रण करते हैं इंडियन और वेस्टर्न क्लोथिंग का. तो मुझे उनकी स्टाइलिंग हमेशा से बहुत पसंद आई है. एंड आई एम टुडे इज द फर्स्ट टाइम आई एम वाचिंग देयर शो लाइव. तो बहुत अच्छा लगा.
Normally whenever we create any garment for a bride, the key element that we look into is that the bride has to look beautiful. It has to suit her personality, and she should not be uncomfortable in any form. And I think it comes across strong. We have a definite signature style which we use, that is using the 3D effect. We use little feathers just to add a little edginess to the garments. I think when a bride is looking out for something different, they definitely come to us.
मैं हमेशा Falguni and Shane Peacock पहनती हूँ, so I'm very happy and I'm just so happy to be wearing their clothes. I always wear Falguni and Shane Peacock. First of all, the way they use colors is amazing. They can use hot pink and reds and blues, and they will make it look so good. Secondly, the way they use sequins and stones and any kind of artwork in their designs, like just even sequins and materials like that. The way they put it together, it never looks tacky. It always looks so classy and chic and funky. Those are the kind of words you'd use for Falguni and Shane Peacock. So apart from that, the fit is amazing. And I think they can make any woman in the world feel sexy.